Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to expand your rows or lines on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First of all, open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Let's just write some word or some anything, and I have this now I have this text or this word. If I want to a row, if I want to expand a row, all I have is to select it from here, this in this column, or here where you see the number of the rows. All you have is to click on the row and go under the number. It will show up this cursor that has two arrows. Now all you have is to drag down or drag upward if you want to expand or whatever you want. Here is another method that is that do this automatically, is by let's just enter some as you can see, um, writing whatever uh, I want, and then I will go for like this, and or whatever. Now I can see all my cell contain or information. So to do so, to expand it automatically, all I have to do is, as previously, have the same cursor and double click on it, and it will expand automatically. Or you can select your row, and then you will go to you will right click on your row here, and as you can see, there is an option called Resize Row. Either you will specify a height by pixels. Of course, you will specify for example, let's just do 15. You specify a number, or you will fit to the data, so it will be equivalent or exactly same as the double click we did before. As you can see, it's expanded automatically. So this is how you do it, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.